This is break number 4924, EPL choice and a breakaway. We need to give away Man United to someone in this break. Here are all of your names and teams. We'll spin this list 5 times. Team on top after 5 will also have Man United in the break. 3, 4, 5th and final time. Burnley, Michael Orchett. Congratulations, Michael. I'll just save that at the bottom. Man United. Let's go. I'm looking forward to this one, actually. Now that I know how to say some names. I'm back. No, it was good. I was genuinely disappointed that I was sick. I had to get off early. Right before you played that game that I still haven't been able to play. Yeah, one of them.
Oh no, you played that one.
Yeah, all those other ones. Oh, is it? Eddie Nketiah? Tabby's giving me nothing. Neves Pulisic. Gartic phone, I don't know what that is. Basaka Dan. Edison Fireworks. Jared Bowen, rookie. And Pereira. Pereira? Did I get all the rookies here? Nope. Nutella. Big Mike got United and Burnley. Oh, Mike! Congratulations and good luck. First break. Everyone does well on their first break. It's just something that happens. So, I believe in you. Look out for a big auto in choice. Ross Barkley, silver. Pratt. You'll have to excuse my... pronunciation of some of the names. Because I'm a basketball and a footy man. Benteke. Davy Proper. Jorginho. Oh, good luck, Magda. Who do Leeds have? Who are you looking to get, Maggie? Gabriel. Barnes. Emergent of Josh Onomar. Fredericks. Harrison Ford. Fulham. We have a blue in this pack. And it is for Crystal Palace. Luka Milivi. I'm going to get it. Milivojevic. Milivojevic. It's somewhere in there. I don't know. Milivojevic. I don't know, Tabby. I can't do it. Anyway, 35 of 195. Sorry, everybody. That's a hard one. Alexander Kerr knows exactly how much I'm struggling. Luke Shaw. Easy. Is it Etse? Winks. Just for one product, just put all the cards the same way, please. Matty Cash, rookie, Aston Villa. Adams. Tarkowski. Atmosphere of Brighton and Hove Albion, which I believe is Andy B's team. I could be wrong. Probably am wrong. Is that who Alan Shearer played for? Thank you, Toby, for nothing. Louise, we're going to have a purple this way. It is Arsenal, Reece Nelson. Who's Nelson? Nelson? 51 of 99. Newcastle, damn it. Thank you, DDC and Magda. Onama rookie. Oh no. Garcia, O'Connell, and Darnell Furlong, rookie. Hoiberg, Ondrick. Newcastle United, there he is, Andy Beat. Maitland Niles. John McGinn, Fireworks. Sissoko, Grealish. Blue in this one. And if they're all upside down, I'm just going to go straight for it this way. Yes. Almiron, speak of the devil. Newcastle United. Joshua Schmetz said, that's enough stuffing around. Give me the good stuff. 55 of 195. Who do you have, Joshua? Silva and Koch. Henderson. J. Rodriguez, Burnley. Silva and Nevermore. Scorers Club, Callum Robinson. Don't stir him up, DDC. Costa, Leeds. Is that who you want, Magda? Yes, there will be an auto. Don't stress. I believe. Oh, that's right. It was like 4 in 6 boxes or something, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, something like that.
2 and 3 works as well.
Well, 4 and 6 makes it sound like there's more, Tabby. We have a Aqua. Is it Aqua? Teal. Can't remember. Purple team. It's a mystery to me. You guys would have known straight away that that was Aston Villa. Matt Target. Tajay. 41 of 49. Saiss. And Fabinho. So that was the last. Oh, maybe one more color. I don't know. Just give us an auto. Make it easy. Laporte. Allen. That's what you need. Just one name. A nice, easy name to say. Allen. Susek. And Hector. What happened last night, Alexander? Did they lose? I only made a bet with Magda on the Southampton game. Yeah, these guys, Southampton. We got the logo of West Brom Albion. Silva. Ndidi. And Kraft. We lost the derby to Arsenal. Oh boy. Arsenal are back. No auto in this box, but we do have another blue. Mitchell rookie for Crystal Palace. And rookie for Wolverhampton. The Wolves. My new arch nemesis. Vitinha. Vitinha. Don't know. 79 of 195. Lamptey and Konsa. Alright. Choice. Spurs STB 3-1 to Arsenal. Magda gets so much joy out of teams that aren't his just doing badly.
Wait, Spurs lost to Arsenal 3-1.
Yes. Don't ask me what it means, Tabby, because I don't know. Sebastian Howler. We have a tiger.
Really?
Yes. What would I lie about that?
I don't know.
Just tell everybody we've got a nebula or something. Like, you don't lie. They spent a lot of money, Tabby. Matt Doherty silver. And another silver. Are they gonna see that?
Oh,
We can go like that. They won't see. Gomez silver. The auto is very nice. Very nice, Tabby.
you spoke about this.
I did speak about this.
Yes.
So when you're new to the hobby,
Yeah.
everyone, their first break or two, they go really well and they think, this is easy. I'm all in now. So
The hobby knows.
I said this would happen, Tabby.
You did.
And Michael, he's on Twitch, has just picked himself up a Wayne Rooney Club Legends signatures. That is a nice card.
That's sick.
Congratulations, Michael. His first break.
Wow.
Just picked him up. Who'd he buy? He bought Burnley. And then he picked up Man U. We just gave them away. Said, here you go, you can have them. Eat this.
And he's still in for the chance for a tiger.
He could get the tiger as well. Who knows?
That's it. We're about to find
That's
out.
nice. There he is, Big Mike. 1987 on Twitch. Nice auto. All on sticker too. Dale Stevens, Burnley. That's for him. That's the team he bought. Oh, boy. Big Mike is teeing the P. The Tigers next. I'm going to save that till the end. We'll get that out next. Abubakar Kamara. Red. Fulham. Overrated player by Big Boy Card. Get off him, Matt. 11 of 29. That's for Fulham.
They're so short print. Trips me out.
Fireworks of Alan
Oh,
Saint Max Min. He
he's
couldn't
playing
decide.
so well.
Is he?
Yeah.
Max
not that,
Min.
Not that big of a card, but wow. He's
All right.
racing at the moment.
Let's go, Tabby. Which way does this go? It goes this way. Now, I just saw the team.
Did you?
Yeah. It is for Man City.
God, you wanted Philly Foden, wouldn't you?
DDC just put calling Foden Tiger.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Before he saw the team.
Yeah. It's not a rookie.
Laporte?
Laporte. That's still a nice card, Tabby.
Yeah, he's popular.
Man City. Tiger. You got to build it up, Alex. Who's got him? Pasquale Del Negro. That is nice. You were close, DDC. Is he in the chat? Pasquale. Pascal? Pasquale. I haven't seen him commenting, but if he is, he'll be awake now. That's a nice hit. That was a good break, Tabby. That's it for 4924.
Yeah.